everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Divine Art. This is Rishika and I'm an art teacher, and today I'm going to share an experience which I had on the day of Raksha Bandhan. So आपको पता होगा कि कल हमने पूरे इंडिया ने राखी का त्यौहार मनाया है एंड मेरे साथ कल कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो कि जिसने मुझे इंस्पिरेशन दिया कि आज मैं ये पेंटिंग करूँ. So what happened yesterday is I went on Instagram and there was an meme page which I was following for a long time shared a meme where a girl with a begging bowl, she was holding that bowl and a boy was dropping coins or whatever it was, something on in that bowl, inside that bowl, and उसमें लिखा था ऊपर में reality of feminism, a feminist or something, and that boy was the brother and girl was written as sister. Sister was basically asking for money or begging for money, or dena ऐसा कुछ something. There were some quotes which was very pathetic to. It was very vulgar, racist, against equality and against everything positive in this world. So yeah, it was a triggering point for me and for many other girls. Like there are many girls who are fighting every day to rise against the patriarchal society, and they are giving a lot of their efforts to rise and stand up for themselves and to create a better environment. I went in the comment section and I wrote some sentence which was a constructive criticism kind of, which stated that which was like that ki obviously it does not happen everywhere and not every girl asks for something, or it is not like that your sister is asking for an iPhone X and or selling or asking their brother to sell their kidney. And there are many other girls even that who never get anything from their brothers and they don't even complain. So there were many other girls and boys who were very upset by this post, but after my comment I received out of all the replies, there were many replies. Out of all, 5 or 6 were pathetic. They were like literally abusing me for my existence, that why I am a girl in this society and I shouldn't demand anything, or I shouldn't do anything for myself, or I can't do anything. I'm just asking and I just live on my dad's money and I'm just pretending to be independent here. They were literally abusing me for my viewpoint, and there were many one or two positive comments. So out of the negative comments, 5 or 6 negative comments, 3 were public profile, 3 were not on private. I just went to that profile and those profiles and saw all the 3 had posted regarding Raksha Bandhan few minutes or few hours ago with their selfies with their sister, with their handful of Rakhis and with sweets, and they're celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So those boys or men, they have posted picture of Raksha Bandhan, celebrating Raksha Bandhan. None of the post had the boys giving gifts to their sister. They were just tying the Rakhis and that's all. And there were sweets and just that normal Rakhi routine. And I even got few DMs and they were like abusing me, and not literally abusing, they were like those kind of DMs which every girls get, creepy DMs, with one had even that typical creepy dick pic. And so I was very sad at that moment, but the one thing I understood was that how these men play a double role. One a very sanskari beta or bhai in front of their sisters and parents, and one being a creepy guy to others' sisters. दूसरों की बहन के साथ दुनिया भर की बदतमीजी करना है. They don't want to consider other sisters as human beings, but they'll consider their sisters as princess or whatsoever. So disrespecting other girls, that too regarding a post on Raksha Bandhan on the day of Raksha Bandhan. So yeah, so all this incident, all these sequential incident inspired me to think out of the box and create something, create a design, a pattern which I have created. I have sketched out and will be painting now. I wish I could show you guys the screenshot of that post or the URL of that Instagram post, but that was taken down a few hours later. That was taken down by Instagram. Not a single notification was there left because it was deleted, and I guess the post was deleted, so the notifications are not even available now. And I reported all the DMs and declined them, so I don't even have any proof of those DMs too. So yeah guys, this is how the painting has turned out. I just want to represent a hand possessing two different personality. One is open and one is closed with like the thumb out kind of thing. तो कलाई पे जैसे राखी बांधी जाती है, राखी बांध, one hand is causing destruction and one hand has the Rakhi tied, both the hands actually. So this hand is for sister and this hand is for other girls. To every brother out there, please don't be this hand to any other girl or to any other sister. Everyone, treat everyone as equal as your sister. Please don't look down upon other women because they are somebody else's sister, daughter, mother. Not why are you creating a society where we can't even live properly, and people don't want to accept the fact that they can be even wrong. So sisters out there, if you think that your brother is being good only to you, please don't tie Rakhi in the next Raksha Bandhan. So you have to be choosing between the right and between your brother. If you like this video of my drawings, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. If any guys are watching this, please don't be a jerk. Please don't behave like a jerk. I would really like to hear your experience with such creepy DMs, or if you have faced any kind of targeting on social media platform. I would really like to hear your part of story. If you have one, you can share it on Instagram on my page. You can DM me directly there, and I'm always there if you need my help. Bye bye.